Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Manny B Investing in BI, and we have the 5th development update from TeddySwap. Let's take a look and see what we've got here. You know I'm going to do a video on it. But before we get started, all of the pools have been selected for the FISO. And I wanted to take a look at this tweet here. CBH Cardano Blockhouse, a TeddySwap FISO pool. I've just coded a page on my pool's website, which shows the current saturation of the TeddySwap FISO pools. The stats are updated every 10 seconds. So he posted this awesome tool right here that allows you to see the stats on the active pools. So great tool. That's going to be very useful. We'll be keeping an eye on that just to see, what's going on, how the pools are benefiting from this great opportunity. And let's get into the development update. We are excited to release our 5th development update. TeddySwap is an open source decentralized exchange protocol on Cardano focusing on stablecoins. Introduction. Welcome to our 5th development update. TeddySwap was born just over a month ago, and it's been an eventful journey thus far. Up to this point, we've released 4 development updates, our light paper, tokenomics, and just yesterday began selecting the stake pools that will represent the Teddy FISO. The active 10 pools have already been selected. The active stake pools are Rabbit, Fungi, ADAR, Piata, ADA, LSS, ARM1, CBH, AAATO, and Vroom. The FISO officially begins Friday, February 4th, but you can start delegating to those pools now. There is already over 15 million ADA staked to these pools. Shortly after the launch of the FISO, we'll release the first details of our initial NFT offering as we prepare to launch our protocol on mainnet Q1 2023. I'm really interested in this NFT offering. I'm going to go ahead and start delegating to the pools. I got to do some research first. I got to take a look at all these pools and see what we can benefit from before we make our selection. And I'll do a separate video on that. Technical progress front end. This week, our front end team completed the farming and order section. These were the last main components on our front end, which means our user interface is close to completion. Next, we are working on adding the chart section. Our new update have been deployed to our front end site, and our community can play around with the site here. So they have a link so that you can take a look at things, but I like it. It looks clean. Hopefully Giro support is available and eternal, so we can use those wallets. Back end work in progress. Finalizing liquidity pools for public testnet. Work in progress. Finalizing T token or the test token for the public testnet. Work in progress. Finalizing testnet tokens off-chain metadata registry API. And work in progress. Backend API refactor and depreciating the usage of report datum custom table for Spectrum finance base code. Develop and deployed FISO randomizer website. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what they use for the pools. So V2 contracts, as mentioned in our last development update, this week we focus on integrating all the logic regarding minting and burning liquidity tokens. With these, all the contracts needed for the swaps are complete, and we are now setting up the environment for testing. As always, our code can be found here on GitHub, so they are open source. Final remarks. Thank you for reading our 5th development update. Thank you for listening if you have. Our FISO begins this Saturday, February 4th, 2023, at the start of Epoch 392. We'll soon release the first details of our initial NFT offering, or INO, following the start of our FISO. Thank you to our community for your support. We are on a mission to create the best stablecoin DEX on Cardano, built on the foundations of open source code, community, and transparency. Awesome. I like it. So this is going to be a little bit different. This is going to be like a lot of the resources are Cardano people. They're really about the ethos of Cardano. They're open source. Everything that a person that a Cardano maxi would want, they seem to be hitting those points. So I'm bullish. I'm gonna take a look at this project. I'm gonna get involved in this project. Hopefully the NFTs are good, but I'm gonna grab one either way. Yeah, hopefully you feel the same way, and if not, we can convince you to move towards this project and see what they have to offer. And I'll be transparent in my holdings and in my engagement with this project. So hopefully you'll find value in this content enough to hit that the like button, that subscribe button, and share the video. Share it with your friends, share it on Twitter, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.